Alright, this is open URL book searches by date range and ranked by LC class. Alright, this is a report that shows you requests that said full text not available. So if the user were looking in GillFind and clicked on one of these links, instead of going to the resource, they probably got a message that says it wasn't available. So this one would be a good one to run just to verify that the links are working right. This is under link resolver usage, and here's the criteria, and then this is the filters we have. We don't have any prompts. And that's the formula. This report shows you titles that have 2 or more physical item requests. Actually, I changed it to 5. So anyway, this is ones that have 5 or more. And okay, here's the whole report right here. You can sort it by request year and the criteria. Alright. So the formula here is that for request measure, number of requests, this one, and then these are the filters, and this is the prompt, number of requests by title. This one is showing you electronic resource requests, so it's by date range, so this is for this month, and I've got a graph that shows you what LC classes are being requested, and then these are the actual requests that people are making. And this is a link resolver usage report, and this is the criteria. So let's look at the formula. That's the formula I'm using. And then the filters right here. And then these are the prompts, material type and request date. And then these are the requests. So you see we had 18 for Long Day's Journey into Night. That's a popular one. Alright, so this one is a good one to run if you want to find out, for example, what people are looking at in Ovid, what journals they're looking at the most in Ovid, and it gives you the JR1 counter report. And this is filtered by total number. Alright, so this report is ACRL question number 63, e-serial usage. And these are the criteria, and this is how I'm filtering. And the formula for journal usage. And I'm prompting on platform. Alright, this is e-usage database 1 report. I'm not filtering by Encyclopedia Britannica, so that's the results. And the criteria looks like this. So those are the filters. So here's a report that would show you what new electronic titles we had by classification code, the date the portfolio was created, and the collection name, and the title, and what the subjects were. So this is an e-inventory report. It's called New Titles Electronic Galileo. This is the criteria, and this is the filters, and how I'm prompting it. You could choose classification code, or you could enter a subject, and then you can enter a date range. Alright, this would be if you just wanted an MMSID number, so search by title, click OK. It gives you the author, the MMSID, and the title. And no filters. This is collection assessment using item ratio per classification, so it gives you the number of loans, the loans per item, the number of items, the group it's in. It's basically telling you what things are more popular and what things are less popular. So this is a peer comparison. So if I wanted University of North Georgia, and I want to see a count of items by LC subgroup. Alright, it pulls up a chart, and then you have the table right here, and the subclass, the classification, and the count. And you can also expand all of the LC classes. Here's the criteria. And the prompts. Alright, here's cost per use alphabetically by title for the previous calendar year. It gives you the electronic format, vendor, usage date. It's giving you the PO and the PO line and the titles, how much we paid for it, cost per use, and how many uses they had. Alright, here's the criteria. And that was for last year. No prompt.